52 kilowatt hours, approximately 248 miles. Charging 11 kilowatt AC, 100 kilowatts DC, 15 to 80% approximately 30 minutes. Vibe 2L/V, 2G, bidirectional charging. Possible interior features: Google integrated screen, Reno Assistant, recycled upholstery, safety 25 plus ADAS features, advanced safety systems. Price, UK. Evolution starts at 22,995 OTR awards. Europe Car of the Year, 2025. Top selling EV in the UK. I can also show a video of it if you want. Or you want to know about import, living conversion, taxes, etc. in the UK or Pakistan? Let me know. I'll provide the information.